Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make a hard front wig look natural. Begin by softening the lace edge using gentle heat and careful trimming to mimic a real hairline. Use short, controlled passes with a lighter or iron, then trim a slight curve to match your forehead. Add a subtle scalp-colored concealer and blend the hairline with a soft brush for an instant natural finish that reads real on camera. Use baby hairs to trick the eye into believing the wig is your own scalp. Carefully select a few short strands and cut them at varying lengths to mimic natural growth. Smooth those hairs with light edge control and a toothbrush, gently sweeping them into place. Keep the density low so the hairline remains realistic, and touch up with a small amount of concealer for subtle depth that photographs and moves like real hair. Matching the lace to your skin tone is the secret to a believable hairline. After customizing the lace, apply a thin layer of foundation or concealer that matches your scalp, blending outward with a sponge. Set the area with translucent powder to reduce shine and help the adhesive last. Use a skin-safe glue sparingly along the perimeter and press, gently, until secure. Then style the hair to disguise any remaining transitions for a natural look.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.